side they say some requirement for installing Windows 11, but in this after this matter you no need to install. You can install Windows 11 on any PC. Here you first need to download ISO. I already downloaded ISO file of Windows 11. Link given below. You can download the ISO file from there. Now you just need to format your pen drive. I use iRufus. You can use any other tool for this, that, or by command method, which also which video of formatting bootable pen drive by command, video link given below. By this method you can install Windows 11 on any PC. So first we need to make a bootable pen drive. So let's start. It takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes. If you Here I am installing Windows 11 on HP 2000. This method also work on your system has secure boot, may or may not. If your system has not secure boot or UEFI, you can also install Windows 11 in your system. Or if your PC has no TPM version 2.0, if your system has below TPM or version 2.0, or if your PC doesn't have TPM, you can also install Windows 11 on your PC by this method. No need any graphics card, blah blah blah, or display resolution internet connection. You simply install Windows 11 on any PC with with no extra Here our bootable pen drive is ready. Now we need step 2. Now we need here Windows 11 bootable is ready. Now we need our Windows 10 file. Here I have Windows 10 file. We just need to mount it in Windows 10. After mounting, you see the all file inside. We just need to mount it and we see the all file here. Now we just need to open Windows 10 source folder, and here we put not select install.vim, and not select this file only, and select all file from Windows 10. Copy Windows 10 source folder and copy paste all source file except install.vim. You not need to copy, just not select install.vim and paste all file inside there, and take some time, and select do not select to copy all the file from source folder and paste it for copy also file from source folder except install.vim, and copy all this file to inside the Windows 11 which we created in step 1, and paste it into the source folder of Windows 11. After that your Windows 11 is almost ready. Here you see all copy has been done. Now your Windows 11 bootable pen drive is ready. Now your bootable pen drive is ready. Now you just need to click your bootable. Now you just need to format your PC. Some PC have F9 boot key, some have a different PC have different boot key. I given, you can see the in description your PC boot key. Now you just need to format your hard disk. I format this. Then the new PC and some PC have secure OME, so you need to format all the drive for installing Windows 11. If your PC is formatted at first time, then you need to format all your partition. If it already formatted, then you don't need to format all your partition. You just need to format your C drive and you can install Windows 11 in your C drive. It takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes. If your PC is already formatted before, you no need to format all your partition. You just need to format your C drive. udah sebenarnya ada kopi di sana bisa aku aja sekarang kita lagi sana ini udah nih kan dia berarti ini so kitab sih kitab sih kitab betul sih ada nih udah kitab ya buku sama kitab ya Format is completed, now the PC is rebooted. Here are parts for Here to Windows 11 is now you just need to select the country. Follow the video. Enjoy your Windows 11. After that video I also upload the most easiest way to install Windows 11 and 1 to or 2 days, where you just no need to do anything regarding copy paste or font formatting, blah blah blah. Okay, for now just easiest the method is easy. You don't need to do many things for that. Alright, almost everything is finished. Here your Windows 11. Windows 11. इतने के लिए सब चीज़ आ रहा है ना. इतना ही बस किया है.